As soon as you walk onto our campus, you are going to see beautiful outdoor spaces. You'll see students reading outside, you'll see them in hammocks, doing their work. Children really aren't made to sit in chairs for 6 to 8 hours a day. Being inside a classroom is difficult for them. It's difficult for many adults, but it's very appropriate for children to be able to have space to run around and play. Middle school is a time for students to disengage. Their test scores drop, issues with friends become more difficult to manage. Being able to be outside really eliminates a lot of the issues that can be found in other traditional schools. Students can move around, they can play at recess every day, they can play at PE, fresh air, sunshine. It helps engage our learners and makes learning day-to-day activities a lot more fun.
We do so many group and team activities here, and so it's just an environment where children who, can't focus, all of a sudden they're given these outdoor learning spaces and opportunities, and now they're able to succeed. When they engage in the learning process and are doing hands-on activities, they remember it, and they also can't wait to come to school. I can't tell you how many times my students say to me, "What are we doing today? I can't wait. I'm so excited."
Group work makes anything that you don't want to do something you do want to do, because you get to talk and you get to go out of your seat sometimes, you get to go outside. It just improves the learning quality a lot.
When you walk onto our campus, you see the beautiful outdoor spaces, but as you really move into our classrooms, you see the things that the students are doing, the creativity of the teachers, the relationships, the sense of community and family that's really giving these students a great foundation for the rest of their lives.
It's great. The teachers are wonderful, the principals are. It's just a good community here, and I'm really grateful to be here.
From Tall Pines, we're hoping that they are going to become great communicators, collaborators, and they're going to walk away from Tall Pines knowing that during one of the most difficult times in life in middle school, there was a great deal of people who really loved them and cared for them.